Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Gamma Edge coming at you with a quick market status for Tuesday, October 18th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give it a read. When you have done so, let's move on. Here we have our Tick US model, similar to the action that we saw last Wednesday. Today we saw a lot of compression, consolidation, you can call it too, via the cumulative tick, stacked right in the middle of the short-term moving average ribbon, with the longer-term moving average ribbon still trending lower. Pretty much no activity via the filter tick throughout the session, new lows and new highs. The spread wasn't very big. Hitting back down here on the cumulative tick real quick. I know everyone wants to know what direction are we going. However, you know with this model, we're compressed like we saw Thursday. We could move up, we could move down. We know to be expecting for a move to be ready for a move to occur. So kind of that with this model, we kind of know that's what's happening next. We'll go look at the price action, the gamma levels to kind of infer key price levels if we do see a move in either direction. Here we have the Tick ARCX model. Again, we're compressing here slightly below the short-term moving average ribbon. So again, what we were just talking about, need to be prepared if-then statements for both directions. Here we have the SPY gamma charts from this morning. Kind of had price loosely drawn here. You can see pre-market, floated right down to 360. Sharp rise to start the cash open up to 365, where we then drifted throughout the session. Again here just showing the R0 DTT charts as well, kind of where we went up, where we kind of chopped around. From here, 360 is really the big line in the sand levels, encouraging as long as we stay above that. However, you can see from this point going higher, we do have some large liquidity strikes. However, it's pretty sloppy back and forth between positive and negative strikes, really no clean transition. So again, for the bulls, we want to see more of a proper kind of positive GEX transition, plus GEX moving higher and higher, some larger gamma strikes above building out. Here, okay, so how we're talking about the tick, we know compression's coming here. We're talking about price action now. So we kind of have this large 370 level overhead. See a lot of historical price action here the last couple of weeks up here. I know in the post market tonight we were bumping right up against 370. So again, going to be key tomorrow to see how price interacts with this level. Some kind of breakthrough headed higher, breaking higher. The 380 would be some form of target I'd be looking for. However, could get a rejection, high volatility market. So again, we're in a massive chop zone, so it's hard to identify a trend right now. I really don't want to have that bias either. Two-way action has been the right way to play it. So again, tick, we know to expect some form of a large move to be incoming, and secondly, we know that this 370 is a key level to potentially risk against. Here, just wanted to zoom in on the 5-minute chart real quick. You can see today, after pre-market early cash open rally, more or less a choppy day to get a pretty large move. Post market, I think we're bumping up right around this 370 level now. How we just talked about in the prior chart here, just looking at it again, 370 significant level. Great spot to judge risk. Here tomorrow morning, I'm going to be looking at tick, seeing what tick doing. Is it rolling over? Is it confirming this move higher? Those two things, along with what price itself is doing, could help to inform some type of trade that may present itself tomorrow. So hopefully that all that what we just talked about made sense, given what tick's doing, given where price is relative to key levels. I think we can generate some kind of good if-then statements both for the long side and the short side. So we will be on in chat in the morning, hopefully, kind of on live, talking through what is happening. So if you all aren't already members and want access to that, GammaEdge.us, free 2-week trial we're offering right now. All the tools turned on. Gamma Edge. You can find us on Twitter. Lastly, like and subscribe would be appreciated for the content that we are putting out here for free for you guys on YouTube. So with that, I will leave you all and good luck tomorrow. And I'll be talking to you tomorrow night. Bye.